Writing a chemical equation. The following steps are followed to write a chemical equation. Symbols and formulae of reactants are written first on the left-hand side. If there is more than one reactant, then a plus sign is placed between the different reactants. Aluminium oxide and dilute sulfuric acid, for instance, are written as Al2O3 plus H2SO4. An arrow is marked after the reactants to indicate that they react to form the product. Symbols and formulae of the compounds formed, products, are written after the arrow on the right-hand side, which indicates that these are formed. Here also a plus sign is placed between the different compounds formed. For example, Al2O3 plus 3H2SO4 gives Al2SO4 3 plus 3H2O.